Can you put those on the window? What do you have there? A cat? Oh, can you put the cat right here? What do you have on there? You're a little busy bee, putting those on and off and on and off. What's that one? Oh, you're saying hi to Casey? Hi, Casey. Pretty girl. Can you give her kisses through the window? Oh, that was very nice. Hi, Casey. Good girl. What else do you see outside? More? They're all right there, honey. Do you want to put them? Where's the ghost? Can you put the ghost on the window?